Hello, Assalamualaikum. So today I'll be running you guys with the task I did in lab number 6. So first let's go through the task requirement. As our first task stated that we had to set up this topology and then had to assign IP addresses to computer based on the roll number we have. So the upcoming tasks include the ping command from the computer to the server, verifying the telnet connections, and changing the IP of switch 2 from PC2 using the command prompt. Okay, so let's check. I've also maintained a document that will help us in the video. Okay, so firstly I've set up the topology in the Cisco Packet Tracer, have assigned IP addresses to the PCs as according to my roll number, that is 0594. The PC that is connected to switch 0 has the network connection 0594.1.1. So I have assigned it configuration of 5.94.12, and as PC1 and PC0 are connected to switch 0, तो मैंने similarly PC1 को भी, as you can see, configuration assign की हुई है .1.3 की. सिंस हमारे स्विच की कन्फिग्रेशन .1.1 है तो मैंने PC0 को .12.12 असाइन किया है एंड PC1 को .13 असाइन किया है. एंड सिमिलरली एज आवर स्विच 1 हैज़ अ नेटवर्क ऑफ 05.94.21, तो मैंने PC number 2 and mail server that is connected to the switch 1 उसको configuration assign की है 5.94.23 की. and we can see mail server की configuration here. Here as you can see .2.2. okay, I haven't and in the switch 2 since इसका connection था 05.94.3.1, तो मैंने similarly इसके अंदर जितने भी PCs लैपटॉप हैं as we can also see here, similar configuration इन्हें assign की है 5.94.3.3 की. and I have only attached screenshot of DNS सर्वर, क्योंकि सिमिलरली इसी तरीके के फॉर्मेट में 1 के इंक्रीमेंट से मैंने सबकी पीसी की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की हुई है एज वी कैन सी हियर, राइट. and I have also mentioned that I have done similar configuration for all other PCs as far as our networks are connected. कि मतलब जिस switch से connected है मेरा PC उसकी ही IP address मैंने assign किया हुआ है. Okay, so one other thing we did in our mail server is turn on its SMTP services and email service here, and also added my username and password, that is my roll number 0594. okay, then I have also added the configuration screenshots of the switches that I had done. As I had mentioned, the switch had configuration of 0594.1.1. Switch 0 has the configuration of 05.94.1.1. Switch 1 had the configuration of 05.94.2.1. Switch 2 had the configuration of 0594.3.1, and these are the commands that we mentioned. This is the IP address along with the subnet mask we have added for the configuration. Firstly, what we do is whenever we enter the switch, we type the command of en, then go on to type config t, then we go into its IP configuration mode and assign the IP addresses to it along with the subnet mask. Similarly, I did all the configuration for all 3 switches. Now to test our connection, after setting up the configuration, we had to, as our task said, we had to ping from PC2 to the mail server. So here it is. We can try it in the video too. I have also attached, even though I have attached the screenshot, but we can try it in the video too. Let's open the command prompt. We'll type ping the IP address of the mail server, that was 0594.2.2, and let's see if our connection is successful. Yes, we are receiving the packets, and since it shows that 0 packets are lost, 0% lost, and all our packets are successfully sent, hence the network connection is built successfully. Now we have to set up the switches, all the switches, telnet connection, and the commands for setting up the telnet is mentioned in the screenshots. We had to provide it password. The first password to enter was Cisco, and the second one to enable the special mode was CS. Then similarly, as the task asks us to verify the telnet connection, we had done it through PC0, PC1, PC2. From all the PCs we had to test the telnet connection. We can also try it in the video. For instance, we will go to PC4 here. Open command prompt. And here we will test the telnet connection. Telnet 05.94.3. Now we have to type the password, and we have entered the switch mode, hence it shows that the configuration was successful. The telnet verification is done. Now what we have to do, we had to change, as the question demanded, we had to change the IP configuration of switch 2 from PC2 using its command prompt. So similarly, what I have done is type the telnet prompt in the command prompt from PC2, and then mentioned this to access the switch 2. I have typed its IP address. Then after that, it required the password that we had set previously, that was Cisco. Then we entered the enable command to enter the special enable configuration mode, and then we typed our password CS, and then we did the configuration through assigning it the IP address of 05.94.2.10 and providing it the subnet mask. Similarly, for task number 2, we had to we were asked to build this connection and also verify SSH. The same thing had to be done. Telnet connection had to be set up, and one additional thing that had to be done was the SSH command that adds encryption to it. Okay. Now coming on to task number 2. Here is task number 2. Here. So I've already set up the topology and also placed it in the document. So my network one has my roll number and 0594.1.0. Network 2 has, as it said, that we had to increment the numbers like this. So what I did was provided the network 2 with an IP configuration of one additional number, that was 05. My roll number is 0594, so I assigned it 05.95.20. And then similarly we went on with the configuration, set up the configuration of all the PCs at the network 1. All PCs were assigned the configuration with from 0594.1 and so on, starting from 2 until dot 5. And as far as PC 4, laptop 0, laptop 1 and 5 and 6 are concerned, they were assigned the IP addresses from 5.95 dot 2 dot 2 and so on, dot 1 and so on till dot 7, as you can see. Now since we had two networks in this topology, we had to set up we had to use a router in this. And for router configuration, just like similarly we have commands for our switch configuration, हमारे पास router की configuration के लिए भी similar commands होती हैं. And here I have done the router configuration already, provided it the host name, and as my FA00, that is fast ethernet 00 ka connection of the left side, I have assigned it the IP address of 5.94.1.1 and a subnet mask alongside it. And similarly I have added for adding the encryption, and I have assigned it encryption and password. Here. However, when I first tried to access my PC, it gave me an error. So I checked through my CLI command to show me that if I had done the I assigned the IP address correctly or not. But yes, I had done it correctly. But since it was giving me an error again, what I did was as you can see, I re-entered my commands again. And then I tested my SSL command, and it was and here it is. And then I tested my SSHL maham.94.1.1 command, and it entered my router username, which was maham, successfully. Then our task was to verify the SSH and do assigning of IP addresses of another interface of router, and we had to do it through laptop 0. Here, first I tested the connection through the ping command. I sent a ping to the router having the IP address of 5.95.21. After that, I had entered the SSH-L maham, that was my username, and the IP address of router, entered my password which I had set up, and then entered the configuration mode, and then I assigned the interface FA1-/0 the another IP address, a new IP address. And after setting up the new IP address, that is of my roll number 5.94.2.1, I entered the command to show IP interface brief. that shows us कि हमारे जैसे ईथरनेट से FA01 से 00 से कौन कौन से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. इट शोज अस द कनेक्शंस दैट वी हैव सेट अप. सो इट शोड मी कि IP एड्रेस में मेरे पास the IP address has been successfully assigned. And now coming on to task number 3.